You can go ahead whenever. There.
That's fine.
There we go. Alright guys, we have wind-ups and dragons. Dragons.
Go. Future Fusion.
Wind-up rabbit.
Mastery.
Is that a good look?
Yeah.
You should just take a picture of me holding this like sky high. Be like, what a freaking geek. I think you're looking alright so far.
I'm alright.
You're alright. You're okay in my book.
You better chill out.
Toon Dark Buck. In a tap mode. That had no relevance to the video at all.
Pass.
Oh no, he's going deeps. He's going deep sea diving. Now this is getting posted.
Oh, I messed this up real bad. Oh well. No, go ahead.
Fine.
Yeah, go ahead.
Then he loops you.
Yeah, I hope so. Oh, jeez.
Really?
No.
No.
Shut up.
I hate my life. Hey guys.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Can you just kill me? Like, with damage?
No, it comes out to, what is that, 75.
7. That's it? That ain't bad.
I mean, I was gonna lose this anyways, even if I did what I was gonna do.
Oh!
See? You ask if I can kill you with the damage, then you have to go Come on.
I have this out!
Oh, yeah.
You were gonna pop it, let's be honest.
I forgot Future Fusion was a card.
Oh, it's a card.
I
It
thought
is
he just
very
dumped
much
5
a
for the
card.
fuck of it. Middle one. Oh, wait.
Bum bum bum.
Okay, just got a card yet?
Your hands are in the video.
I could've won that game.
Alright guys, guess that's a scoop a doop.